Welcome to this series of videos regarding Mergin Maps Enterprise Edition installation. I'm Fernando Ribeiro. I'm a support engineer here at Mergin Maps, and I will guide you through this video series. So before we get into the installation process itself, a quick reminder that we have our official documentation page at merginmaps.com/docs, and this installation procedure is highlighted here under the custom server section and install procedures here. So you can always go back to these videos or the documentation in order to get something that is not clear or you cannot remind. So regarding the installation main requirement, this is valid both for the Community Edition and for the Enterprise Edition, is the availability of Docker on your system. So we need to install Docker as the main requirement, because the way that the Mergin Maps platform is provisioned at the moment is via a Docker Compose file, so that's why we need to have it installed. So we recommend you to install Docker from the official repositories. So depending on the operating system that you have installed on your servers, please go to the related documentation. In this case, we have a Ubuntu desktop virtual machine here installed just for training purposes. Of course, on production servers, you will have mainly Ubuntu server, Debian server, or related server operating systems releases. So in this case, it's just for us to have a web browser in order to go along with the installation process. So here you can look into this in detail, but mainly if you are not running a vanilla installation, as I am, if you have previously installed Docker or related components, you should remove them as a first step here, and then do the actual installation. If you don't want to go through everything, you have this nice copy to clipboard functions here on the page, but I will guide you through the process, let's say, in the main topic. So this first part here is just to add the GPG key for the main Docker repository. So everything needs to be signed on the side of the repository. So this is just the key for it. So this is the first part here. Let me just copy paste this part here and open a new terminal window here, and we just paste this section here. Oops, sorry. Like this. And this now should be installed. So we are installing some packages here, curl as well, getting the key from this website and installing it here. So the next step is to add a new repositories to our apt sources at apt etc apt sources list. So we have here a new entry here with this echo string here that I will not go into detail. And for now, and lastly, we will do an apt update in order to refresh our packages cache. After this, we are ready to install Docker. and you simply copy this, and this will install Docker Community Edition, CLI tools, the engine, and of course the Compose plugin that we will be needing also. This will take a few moments, and once it's done, we can check if Docker is running by simply putting something like Docker version. And we are running 28.4. The same thing as for Compose. And we are running also Compose. So this was the first part. Next we will be handling with the Mergin Maps installation, namely environmental variables that are needed and are the most important ones for us to have Mergin Maps running on this machine.